sure. And then, like I said, at that point, it's been a good forward motion for sure.
Now, as you've seen the agency evolve, and this isn't just the agency you've been with, but for you, I mean, you guys have been a part of the agency since 1936. I mean, heck, that's a long time, and things have changed. I mean, we see things change in 2 to 3 to 5 years. I know with me being in the insurance business for 3 years already, I've already seen it change immensely. Or there's things that are hidden behind the scenes that you don't know that's going on that really are gonna that give you on the forefront of the change that could be potentially coming. So as you've seen it with your father, and we'll get into the content side of things and what you're doing on social media that's really helping you knock it out of the park. But from the time that your father and seeing it grow up and evolve to where you have it now, what would you say some of the biggest changes are? Obviously, technology being one of them, but you would have to agree that things have just changed greatly since the time that you saw when you were a little kid to now.
Yeah, absolutely. Again, I joined in 1997. Um, at that time, my dad was just getting into computer rating for auto and home. Prior to that, dude, it was everything was in a book. If you had a 1980 Chevrolet Impala, it was $20 a week or whatever. That's how you did it. Nothing else came into play. There was no credit rating. They hardly even, as long as you were under a certain number of tickets or accidents, you were still in that same class, you were good. So that was the biggest change. I think when my dad, prior to me coming in, if you wanted to write a house, there were questions. They called it a blue card, I think, and it was about the size of a note card or a postcard, and that's all you filled out, and you sent that in, and they gave you house insurance for that.
Wow.
$50 were common, So, and that's when he wanted to get out. Any old guy doesn't like change. They don't want to grow with that, and that was his time to say, "Hey, I'm getting out of here."